Yeah, I mean, I don't think we need to bring scaffolding in. No.
All right, so I think primary goals that we're trying to get accomplished today, we need to get the PA trouble shot. We need to get it tuned.
Which is what Chance and I
Chance and Stuart are working on that. We need to get the floor pockets cleaned up. We need to get the new S32 installed and programmed back. We need to pull all the choir mics out of the loft system and get them down here. We're also trying to figure out their lighting. So when you guys are done with the lift on the PA, we need to get the lift in position to be able to reach that electric.
Okay. So basically there's three areas. There's the PA, there's the lighting, and then there's the stage, pockets, and all that stuff. So why don't we just break that up? Like, Anthony, you work on the stage and the wiring and stuff, and grab one of the other two. And then Chance and I'll get the PA. They had somebody that sort of knew something about something.
Do it. I'm gonna stay here until you sing. For me, it's like, I'm inside of me, like, bro, you're gonna die there. Because I'm letting out.
No, just do whatever you can do. Well, we're gonna go in the attic first. We'll give these guys some time.
You know it.
And I want to try to bump that one over to 7. You get what I'm saying? I want to try to keep bumping things over.